Alinko from Larry Fam, and today me and my mom are gonna make graham balls. Wait. First, I'm gonna wash my hands. Wait for me. Okay, Larry Fam.
Bakit Larry Fam?
And everyone else, I'm also back now. Now today we are gonna start making graham balls, and I'm
Not graham balls, graham.
I meant graham
Crackers.
crackers. I'm so excited. Are you? Are you? Are you cute? If you wanna make, I'm trying to start this. Okay, let's start. Just a minute.
I'm gonna let the
Oh.
ingredients pa. We can toss them.
Okay, so now we are going to start.
Hindi niya kilala.
Dad, be quiet.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the first thing we will put
I will be the one to pour this. Huh? It's a condensed milk.
condensed milk.
Okay, I'll be the one to pour. Can I borrow ano, Dad? Spatula. Get the spatula from Dad.
Punas mo, madumi pa yan. Nahugas ko lang. Ay,
Oh, give it a minute. It's basa.
Oh. Quiet.
It's okay.
What do you think of that
Mashoot
thing?
yung lollipop. Girl. You wanna taste this, girl?
No.
It's really sweet taste. It's like,
Girl.
taste mo lang.
No,
Okay,
no. No,
Dali
thanks,
na,
girl.
ah.
Mine's okay, girl.
It's really okay, Just one, Dice lang daw.
Sige, add na natin ito sa video.
You have to keep trying, di ba, love? Still,
Okay, so I don't definitely know what's the next ingredient, but that's actually, I call it a serious ingredient. Whatever.
whatever, girl.
Wait,
You
I'm
can-
gonna mix it.
Well, yes, and you can put the
Woo!
all-purpose cream.
What?
Cream.
Okay.
You promise you will taste this after, okay?
Okay.
You promise.
Okay.
You're not just making it. You are included in the taste test. Not just in the making, okay?
Okay.
Please.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can pour it there.
Okay. So now we're gonna pour.
How about you put down muna your
Yes,
lollipop? I will help you. I will get you a bowl. You can squeeze 2 hands. And hindi mataas, mababa. Because it's gonna tapon outside. You can taste that. That's just a cream. Like when you do ice cream.
Yum. I love it. Next time I feel like I'm gonna eat it. Oh wait, should I mix it again?
You can. You will pala.
I'm gonna mix it again. Watch this, girl. Actually, I'm part of the taste test.
You are.
So, you can. A la casa. A la zilla. A kiwi.
You are going to be part of the test. Who will pour this?
Me.
You? Okay.
Oh, do you remember I tasted that before?
Yes, because it's just a cream. This is exactly the thing that's used for ice cream. Here.
Diba dati when we made popsicles, we used that. No, me.
Here. We did popsicles. And we used that. That's exactly the same ingredient used in ice.
Okay, now the others are mine.
Here we go.
Thanks. But I want the others to be mine now.
Done.
the other milk cream.
You just mix it. Yan. Oh, go mix. Mixy. Mixo. Oh, we're gonna make. Is that mixed well? I'm gonna check lang. I mixed it well already. I'm just going to mix a tiny bit more.
What's this?
That's the Graham biscuits. You can even eat it.
What's that?
What do you mean? It's just a biscuit, AC. Where's everything? No. It's okay. Wait.
I don't like that.
It's just a biscuit.
Wait, so we're gonna pour it
You will layer it
there.
there. We're gonna layer.
it.
Oh, and then another one on the side. Oh, and then another two. There you go. And then another. There. Bakit sila hindi pantay? Ba't if mapalit sila? Hindi pa rin sila pantay? Oh, hindi talaga sila pantay. Now, we're gonna put more on there, on the side. We're gonna add this size to the side. Does that fit? It fits?
You're
Next.
breaking the others.
Yes, because it's not cash if I don't break them. So I'm just
Okay,
break
this
them.
is the original.
It's the
I call
the
this
breaking.
the AC2 in that. Oh.
Ano ka dito bubukas? Palaya?
Yeah, you can put the ampalaya with egg.
No. Para madali lang.
May pork naman doon.
Yeah.
Napansahon if you want the porkness.
Salo ko lang.
Okay, this is the part. Mamaya lollipop.
What did you say? Ano?
And then my lollipop.
Oh. Easy. Next. You know what's next to do? Huh? Yes, that's correct.
I'm just trying to guess, but I seriously don't know what to do.
Oh. We're gonna layer them.
I never make these before, but I think
Yeah, you never made it before.
I think I am overcooked.
So, who will pour this? Me.
Me? What of us?
I will give you I will give you a pouring stuff.
Tiny spoon?
No. A pouring glass.
Pouring glass!
Tapos wag sobrang dami anak ang ilalagay, ha? Because you have to layer and keep layering them. Here's more.
I'm
That is
ready.
the glass.
So you just like do
Yes, but wait, put it down. Thank you.
like that.
This one.
Like the scary wiki. I have
Go.
to, it's my head. Scared. Oh, it's 40 ml.
You have to pour it like from there to there to there. Chug like that.
I'm scared.
Kaya mo yan. Tandahan mo lang, huwag mo lang bibiglain. Hindi mo na uugain, anak. You just let it pour naturally. Pour. And then you will just move from the side to the side, to the side, to the side, to the side. Because it's gonna flow by its own.
Side to the side, to the side.
Yeah.
To the side, to the side, to the
Stop.
side.
And you will just bitaw.
Lick it!
Well, you can lick.
Mm.
It's just for home anyway. I'm just on it.
Can I have this one?
No, this one inside.
And?
That one.
Oh,
Yan.
this
Tsaka dito. That's what you like. Next is put another layer. Now it tastes like ice cream. But you will put.
How about I do
Do you know the cookies and cream na ice cream? Parang ganyan lang yung biscuit instead of cookies. It's okay, kahit hindi mo siya idiin. Next. And then there. Okay, ano?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, great job. And I'll be the one to do the breaking, but you can like put it there.
Oh.
It doesn't fit? Oh, yeah, it fits na.
Oh my god. Okay. This is naturally my style actually. Oh. Covering the whole biscuit. Oh. I seriously didn't already know how old am I.
I will be the one to put the end part kasi basag-basag na siya. So we need to just fix it like that. Fix it like that. Put it like that. Just gonna put
I'm
it.
gonna move this one here.
Yan.
There. I move that way.
Yan. Okay. Next is pour again. Ano sa gawa mo kanina? You don't need marami. Just go there.
Whoop.
Sige, go. Slow. And then going here to mommy.
Oh.
Going here. Lift it a little tiny bit. Okay, going here. Forward a little tiny bit. Para madagdagan doon. You did great. Stop. Thank you.
Oh,
And
but
then-
it's still not,
Hindi, we will uga-uga it.
yeah. Can I try to
Like that.
uga it?
Yan. Oh, and then papunta dito. Yan. Para ma-coat evenly. Oh, and then oh, now you know, ha? The technique. Yan. Stop. Now, another layer.
Yep. Yep. And the cute.
Oh. The breaking cookie. Hey, biscuit.
Thanks. Later.
May dila pang kasama.
Oof.
Wait lang, binabawas ako kung hindi pa kasya. Oh.
Ooh, that looks,
Nice, no?
yeah, nice.
Maybe we should not add more. Maybe we should tuck this one. Oh, wait.
Oh.
Go, keep pouring it. Dagdagan pa natin. You can pour all of that. There. Dagdagan natin kulang.
Wait.
Kulang yan, anak. Again. There you go.
Enough?
Hindi pa. Spread it all over na. On every part na wala. Go.
Oh, sorry. By accident.
It's okay.
I'll just leave the side.
Here. And because we have a few biscuits left,
Mm.
you can decorate however you like. However you like.
One there and one Sometimes I like... Mommy, you know the stuff that I like most is baking?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm a creative on baking, you know?
No, you are. So next, on other day, we will bake the rainbow cake.
Oh,
The one
really?
we bought from Landersters.
There's?
Maybe just put it anywhere kasi wala na tayong next biscuit. Just put them in. You can even taste it. And here is another one. And then, the next thing to do is just pour them all.
Maybe I should not do it in a row. Maybe I should do that. And like... Oh.
Dati masarap to. Laway flavor.
Nakakaway.
With some licking.
Yung kunya.
Masarap yan. Dad ko talaga.
Hindi ako yan.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Creativity means
Yes.
the best.
Yes, of course. And creativity is the best. Go. Pour it na. Be careful na pouring. Pour in every corner. And sa gitna, and sa sides. Like everywhere.
Oh, you can do this one. Everything looks like flooded milk.
Loaded milk?
Flooded milk.
Milk overload.
milk. Milk overload. Done.
Then,
Now I know the rest is mine.
you like that?
I like this one so much.
You want a spoon? Give us one.
I definitely would lick.
And we will cover this and put it in the fridge.
Wait, I can have it.
You can have it.
Sarap.
So, yun yan.
Sarap easy.
I'm gonna put this in the fridge, ha?
Okay.
French mo na parang bilis.
How many minutes do I have to wait?
1 hour?
Oh. That's okay. I'll just timer.
Timer ka pa talaga na.
Okay, large fam and everyone else. See you later.
See you later, alligator.
So see you tomorrow, alligator.